Hello guys. Assalamu alaikum guys. I am Imamur. I am a learner and a web developer. So in the previous video we made a about us page in a e-commerce website. So in today's class we are gonna make a blog page in a e-commerce website. So first of all we have to know what is a blog page in a e-commerce website, but what is a blog page. Right guys? I hope you can hear me guys. So let's start our journey. We go to the blog page, and if we double click here, we can see a picture here. So this is the blog page we can make today. So wish list icon, home menu, about us menu, blog menu, shop menu, portfolio, contact, and the login system will be also available in this blog page. So if I click on the blog page, this blog page will be open for us. If we go to the previous video, we also can see that this is the blog page we have. So why blog page is so important in a e-commerce website? I hope the recording is on. Okay. So it improves the SEO, publishing helpful articles like how to build a skincare routine or best moisturizing for dry skin helps your website rank higher on Google and brings organic traffic. So if you made a blog page in a e-commerce website, then you can find it easily by the SEO. So many visitors don't know which product suits their skin type. When you consistently share useful beauty tips and skincare advice, customers begin to see your store as an expert rather than just a seller. Increasing product sales. Inside each blog post, you can recommend related products which like such as shop vitamin C syrup by hydration face cream. So this is the benefit to make a blog page in a e-commerce website. So if we go to the structure of our today's class, you can see that I also made a blog page.tsx PDF file to understand the code we will type or we will write. So you can see that if I zoom out this picture, our today's class or our blog page will be like this: header, the blog title, and at the background image we will set the background image, 3 divs at the left side and 2 divs at the right side, and we will attach also images in there. At last we will see the footer. If we go to the previous image, then you can see that this is our blog and this is our 2 images, 3 images at the left side and 2 images at the right side, 1 2 at the up, 3 and 1 2 at the right side. And at last we will set the footer and the last. The footer will be at the last of the page. So we can start from now. I hope you can hear me guys. So as we know, our project name is our project name or our folder name is e-commerce site. So simply we will go to the search bar and we will type e-commerce site. So you can see our project is ready. After opening this folder, we will go to the VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So you can see our VS Code is ready. So in the previous class, we can see that our about page is ready. We have created our about page. So now in today's class, we will create the blog page in today's class. So we have to hurry up, otherwise the video will be too long. So first of all, we will go to the e-commerce site and we will go to the app folder. After that, we have to create a blog folder. So simply we will delete this folder. So we have to create a new folder named blog, 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 no spelling mistake. So after blog we will create a tsx file, new text command page.tsx. okay, so it is ready. After go to the VS Code, you can see a blog folder has created and a text folder. So we will rename it to page.tsx file. Right, guys? Okay, so our page is ready. So you can see that our page is ready. So first of all, we will type the code because after 5 or 6 videos, you can see many codes are similar to every page. Many like import, export, link up the images, link up the pages. So this is the common codes we write every day or in every video. So first of all, we will write the whole page code. After that, we will try to understand the codes. So let's start, guys. So first of all, we have to import the header and import the footer in here. So what is the rule? Import header from @components /components. After that, we will import the header or attach the header. Okay. And after that, we are going to import the footer right here. Import footer from @components. Attach the footer right here. FOOT. So we are going to type clean code from this video, or from today we will try to write the correct code or the clean code. So after that, there are no we don't have to link the images at here. We will do it later, but first we have to export the blog page, blog.tsx or page.tsx file. So first of all, at the second of all, we are going to export it. Export default function. The sound is full, I think. Okay. Export default function blog page, first bracket with curly braces. Okay. Now after that we have to use the return function in a Next.js project. So second bracket, first bracket. Okay. After that, the code start and end, and we are going to close the header at here. Okay. Header. So the header, we have closed the header. Now we have to take a main tag. Class name clean code. We want clean code. Minimum height. We are going to fix the minimum height in the screen. Background color F8, F6, F5. F8, F6, F5. That's it. So after that, padding will be 20. So our main tag is ready also. So after that, we have to take a div. So why are we taking a div? So because if we go to the graph chart we made, we have to take div and div for a blog banner, and another div for another section for this post or images. So we have to take div. Last name. Now we have to give a beautiful style to it. Maximum width, we have to set the maximum width with 7XL. Max is equal to auto. Px is equal to 6. Okay. This is the end. After that, we have to take a h1 or a title. So class name. Text will be center. Text will be center and MB 20. Okay, MB is equal to 20. Text center. PX6 is in the previous. We have to take two divs, but I have taken one div. Text extender and between div, but this is a div, not h1 tag. Sorry guys, a mistake here. A div will be taken at here. The mistake of mine. Okay. So after the div, now we have to take a h1 tag and we have to set the title style. Text. Okay, text. After that, 5 pixel. The size, and after that tracking. What do you mean by tracking? The space between the sentence or between the letter. Tracking will be 6 pixel is enough. Okay. So this is the end of the h1 tag. So this is the end. Now we have to take a p. So what is our h1? You can see our h1 is blog. So this is the blog, and now we have to take a P paragraph, and we will write beauty tips, skincare, secret and cosmetic trends. So this is our paragraph. First of all, we have to fix the h1. Everything will be uppercase blog. Now we have to take a paragraph tag. We have to take a paragraph tag in the second one. So paragraph tag, text will be gray, 500 pixel. Okay, that's it. So our paragraph is, and now we have to write here BEAU, beauty tips, skincare, secrets, cosmetic trend. Okay, so our first div is and we have to close it like this. After that, we have to take another div for the styling. Plus, we are going to set the tailwind CSS grid at here. Grid. We have to set the grid at here. So grid. Okay, grid. After that, large screen, grid, and large screen grid, and divided by 3 columns. Columns is equal to 3 and gap will be 12. Okay. So this is the end of our div, and right now we are going to make a comment. Okay. /star blog page. Blog post is equal to */. Okay. This is the end of heading. Now we have to take the blog page. So first of all, we have to take a div class name is equal to, first of all, the large screen columns, COLS columns, span to space. We have to give a space here. Y 12. We are going to explain the code, or we will try to understand the code together at the last of the codes, or at the last of the video. Okay. Now a new tag will be open for us, article. Class name, background will be white. Okay, background will be white, and P is equal to 6. Shadow will be small. Okay, shadow will be small. Now we have to take a image tag. Source, in the public folder we have our images. So /images /something or some.png. We will add the images later. So this is the end. After that, alternative text is equal to nothing, and object will be covered. So alternative text is equal to nothing, class name, now we have to fix the width. $400 pixel. Okay, that's it. And object will be covered. Object will be covered, right, guys? I hope you can see us. I hope you can hear me. Okay, that's it. This is the end. So now we have to take a h2 tag. We will fix the error later. h2 tag class and a class name. Now we have to give a beautiful style to it. Text. Okay, text will be 3xl and empty is equal to 8. Okay, empty is equal to 8 and empty is equal to 4. Okay, so our styling is at now. What is our paragraph? So if we go to the blog page, you can see glowing skin is a result of proper skin care. Glowing skin is a proper okay. Glowing skin is a result of proper skin care. This is our H1. So glowing skin is a care for a proper skin care, right, guys? So our is H1 tag is end. Now we have to take a paragraph. Okay, paragraph class name. This is not it looks so bad. Okay, class name. So first of all we have to give a style. Text will be gray. 500. Okay, that's it. Oh my god. Okay, so 500 pixel is okay. After that we have to end it. The closing tag also come. So if you go to the if you go to the paragraph, you can see what? Discover the best skincare routine for healthy. Discover the best skincare routine for healthy. Discover the best skincare for routine healthy. And if you go again, glowing skin using natural cosmetic products. Glowing skin is using natural cosmetics products. So if we give a space here, then it will be okay. So that's it. After that we have to finish the div. So our div is finished. So the article is also finished. Just we have to control X it and we will paste it here. So our paragraph, our error is gone. So now it is time to take another article tag. Article. Okay, article ARTICAL. Article no spelling mistake. Class name. Class name. Article. Okay. So first of all we have to fix the background with white P6 and shadow will be small. Okay. And after that we have to take a image tag. Okay, slash images slash sum dot png. That's it. Now object will be cover and we have to take a class name as before, and again it will be full 400 height. Height will be 400 pixel. That's it. This is the end, and the class name will be object cover. Object cover. Okay, this is the end of the image tag. So after that we have to take another h2 tag. So the h2 and the paragraph will be same as before. Just copy it and paste it here. So what will be the paragraph and or what will be the paragraph? As before. Okay. The H2 will be the secret of natural makeup. The secret of makeup. And the paragraph will be create a fresh elegant look. Create a fresh elegant look. Create a fresh elegant look. Okay. Create a fresh elegant look. That's it. So the article is end here. Now we have to fix the sidebar. We will fix the error later. Now, okay, after the article, the div is closed. Okay. Okay. So now the sidebar part. Slash star sidebar star slash. Okay. Sidebar star slash. Right. First of all, we have to take a div and a class name. So, first of all, space y12. Okay. Now we have to take another div. Class name. Background will be white. P is equal to 6. Shadow will be SM again. Small. SM means small, guys. Right, guys? So after that, we have to take a h3 tag. So class name. Okay. About author. If you go to the picture, you can see about author. About author. So after that, the image tag and a paragraph tag at the bottom. Paragraph tag at the bottom. You can see. So this is the h2 tag is finished. Also. So guys, we did a mistake here. We didn't give a class name. I'm so sorry. Okay. About author is finished. Now text will be first of all the size 2XL MB 6. That's it. The paragraph tag is also closed. So after that we have to take a image slash images slash sum.png. Okay. Now it is time to give a size of the image. We have to give a size to the image. Image class name is equal to width full, but not the height. The height will be only 64 pixel. The height will be only 64 pixel. Object will be cover MB is equal to. So that's it. Our image tag has gone. Our image tag is finished. Some mistaken I am seeing. So now at last we have to give a paragraph. Okay, paragraph tag, class name. 24 minutes gone, right? Okay. What is our paragraph? If you go to the image, you can see our paragraph is sharing beauty and skincare knowledge for modern cosmetic lovers. Sharing beauty and skincare knowledge. First of all, we have to give text will be gray 500. Okay, 500. That's it. sharing beauty and skincare knowledge for modern lovers. Okay, this is the paragraph is finished up for us. Now we have to take another div. Okay, background will be white. Okay, background will be white. P will be low. P means padding, and shadow will be small. Okay, shadow will be small. So that's it. The paragraph, the div functionality or the div style. Now we have to take another h3 tag. H3 tag. Class name. Again the same style we will give here to Excel MB6. Okay. So many errors has come, we have to fix it early. Without it our project will be unready. So if we go to the photo, categories. Okay, the h3 tag is also closed. Okay, something mistake here. I will fix it later. So guys, the h3, I mean the title is end. The title is end. So just at last we have to take some ULLI for our blog page. So let's start UL class. ULLI means list, unlisted, and LI means listed. So now we have to give a style to it. So here you can see we have to give a space to it. First of all, space. Now the text color will be gray and 500 pixel. 500 pixel will be okay. So now we have to take the LI. LI start, LI beauty, and just copy it for 5 times. One, two, three, four. That's it. Beauty. The second will be organic. The third will be skincare. Okay, guys. The third will be skincare. After that, makeup. And at last, we are going to give a fashion. So you can see listed is open, listed is finish, start, finish, UL is start, UL is finished. And at last we can see we have attached the footer at here after the main tag. We always have to attach the footer after the main tag. So if I close it, just simply after the main tag you will give a space here and /FOOTER footer and /start. This is the code we write for today. And obviously we have to give this semicolon, or we have to give this at the last. Without it we will see so many errors. Just close it. This is the code we write. So now we have to understand what is a blog page and why we write these codes in our blog page. So if I out from this project, and we will go to the, I hope you can hear me guys, the volume is full. So if we go to the blog folder, you can see I have made a PDF file for you. So simply we will go slowly and we will try to understand what is a blog page and why we made this file in today's e-commerce website. So first of all, let's understand something. When someone visits an e-commerce website, they usually came for products. I mean the buyers or the customers, but not every visitor is ready to buy immediately. Some people search for best skincare routine, how to get glowing skin, which moisturizer is best, organic beauty products. Okay, a blog page helps brings visitors from Google, build customer stars, improve SEO, and increasing the product sales. This page is doing exactly that. And what is import? Instead of writing the navbar and footer again and again on every pages, you simply import them. I mean home, about menu, shop menu, blog menu, contact menu. So without components, header code will be 100 lines, footer will be 80 lines. Every pages has 180 lines extra. So with components, you can, with components much clearer, import anywhere much cleaner. This follows the dry principle. We have repeated this course every video because this course is the heart of a React project or in the Next.js project. Creating the page, export default, function blog page. You can see export default, function blog page. This creates a React component. Everything inside return functionality is what users see. Think of it like blog page, return entire blog screen, fragment, start and end. This is called a React fragment. Why? Because React components can return only one parent. Instead of writing div, we use this because it doesn't create an extra HTML element. After the why we take the main tag or the main section, let's understand every class. Minimum height will be full screen. Even if content is small, the page still covers the whole browser height. So in the background, you can see this color and white, cream, beige, soft pink. This usually used for the background. After that, the padding will be 20 from top, some space, makes the page breathe. Without padding, everything sticks together. And why we use container? This is one of the most important lies. Maximum 7XL means never let the content become too wide. Images reading a newspaper. If one line stretch across the entire monitor, it's hard to read. Professional websites always limited width. MX Auto means everything will be in center without everything stays left side or right side. PX is equal to horizontally padding, prevents content from touching the screen edge. Page heading, D class is equal to text is equal to center, MG is equal to 20. Everything inside becomes center. Tracking 6 pixel means adds spacing between letters. Adds spacing between letters. My blog is equal to spacing here. Luxury brands often use wide spacing. So let's understand the grid layout on a Tailwind CSS. This creates 3 columns on desktop mode, 3 columns on mobile version. They automatically stay. Responsive design. Main block section, large skin, columns divided by span 2 means take 2 columns out of 3 columns. Layout becomes 1, 2, 3 columns. Block gets more space, sidebar gets less. Exactly how professional blog worker. Blog article, every article looks like this. Article tag, HTML has semantic tags instead of div we use because this is an actual article. Google understand this better SEO. So this is the images and shows the blog thumbnail. Take 100% width, 400 pixel is the height, makes every card equal object cover Very important. Without it, images stretch. With it, they crop nicely, professional look. So, blog title. Second, largest heading, SEO lovers, proper heading, hierarchy. Blog description, short preview, enough to make people interested. So, by this description, the customers can buy our things, so we have to give something attractive to them. So what is a sidebar? This section gives an extra information. Professional blog always have one about author, builds trust, customer thinks someone real wrote this, trust increase. What is a category? If you see beauty, the ULLI, organic, skincare, makeup, fashion, imagine you have 100 blog posts. Users don't want to scroll forever. And at last we have attach the footer after the main tag, not before the main tag. The last section usually contains contact, social icons, copyright, newsletter, and quick link. So you can see we have understand the blog page, everything. Just I repeated it for once. First of all, we have to import the header and footer. After that, we have to export, and after closing the header tag, we have to take a main tag or main class and a section. So this is the whole thing. Article tag. In the article, this works like a div or a box, small boxes. Now, at last we have ULLI. So just simply we will go to the terminal and the new terminal, and just simply we will type npm run dev, because this is a React project or a Next.js project. So after getting a link from it, it will take just 2 or 3 seconds. We will simply click control. After that we will click on the link. So after closing this, after this we will go to the Chrome browser and simply we will type localhost 3000. After that we will try enter, and we can see our whole e-commerce website landing page is ready. Just simply we will go to the blog page. After clicking at here, so it just takes 1 or 2 3 seconds because we didn't polishing the code. So you can see our blog page is ready in a e-commerce site. So if we go to the bottom, you can also see the ULLI, and our footer is also looking so professional. The link up is also working effectively, and this is our divs, 3 divs at the left side, 1 2 3, and at the right side 1 and 2. So this is our class for today. In the next class we are going to create the shop page, and after that we will simply create the contact page. So in a contact page we will make our contact information in the contact page. We will keep our contact information in the contact page. If we go to the login button, the login system is also working so smoothly. So this is our blog page. If I zoom out, you can see our whole blog page. At the left side you can see three article tag or 3 divs, and the right side you can see the div boxes, our boxes or our divs. So is in a blog page, why e-commerce website we need blog page? By this information, glowing skin is a result of proper skincare, organic products for everyday beauty, and the secret of natural makeup. So this is the attraction of the buyers. So we are the seller, the customer is the buyer. So they will attract it, and the SEO will be so well, and we can get many customers from this e-commerce website. Every web developer thinking so critically, so uniquely. So we will be a web developer. So I hope you like my videos, guys. So if you have any complaint to my video, feel free to comment. So I am Imamur, and I am a learner and a web developer. So we finish this blog page from today's class. In the next class I will create the shop page. At last we will create the contact page. So our next day's journey will be end so early. the days is gone so easily. So this is our homepage. So that's it for today, guys. Be happy, happy coding. Be conscious for your health. Bye.